Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jovi, and for today's video I am going to do a very quick haul of my ukay items. Because guys, I gotta put them into washing guys, but before I do that I want to show them to you first. So there's not many items here, so it won't be a really long video. So yeah, if you are interested to see, please keep on watching. So mostly the items here guys are for Paris, because I don't know if you watched my previous video. I went to Savers the other day to pick up Paris, Tita and Daddy from Footscray. So we went to Savers, and while I was there waiting for them, I picked up a few items. So let's start with this. How many pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of socks for Paris. This is very handy for her going to childcare now, because she's gonna change socks every time. And I'm so sorry for that noise in the background. It's Paris. And I got this for $2.99 guys, and these are still brand new. So that's the first one. And then the second one that I got here is a top for Paris. Very cute. She's navy blue and the watermelon print. That is for $1.79. So cute guys. I can't wait for Paris to wear them guys. That's why, you know, I want to show it to you quickly so I can put them into washing and then Paris can start wearing them. So the second one guys is this black shorts, and it's got that, I don't know, is that cherry sequins? See, so cute. And then this is again size 1, and I got this for $1.79. Yeah, so cute. And then the third one guys is this white shirt from Lonsdale. Oh, how lovely is that guys. This one is for $3.49. I didn't mind paying for that guys, because I know if you get this from the shop it will be at least $20. Oh, the lighting is getting really dark. Hello, sorry about that guys. But the next one is this Mickey Mouse shirt, again for Paris. And see, Disney baby, and in the size 2, and I got this for $1.99. And then the next one is this long sleeve top for Paris. It's in size 1, but still this is gonna fit her. I like this guys. See, it's like a ballet shoes. So cute. I got this for $2.49. And guys, Paris wants to be part of this video, so there you go. Want to say hi? Say hi. Since you're here now, say hi. Come on. Yeah. Can you say hi, please? They're watching. They're watching you.
Wait, what?
Say hi, everyone. A special mention to our friend, baby Jessica and baby Luna. Whoop. Yeah. All right. Go there. Oh, go, Tita, go. There you go. Oh, I want to show you guys. These pants I already washed, because I want Paris to wear this. So we got this from Okay to guys. Oh, come on. You go. Off you go. Okay, let's keep going guys. This one, this pink shirt, and it's got that girl with a bow. It's super cute guys, and it's for 2 years old, and I got this for $2.99. Yeah. And then next one is this. Oh, what's this one? Yeah, size 2, navy blue, and it's got writing "My heart belongs to Daddy." And I got this for $1.99 again. So very affordable guys. That's why I really like going to Off Shop or Okay. So the last piece that I got here for Paris is this red sleeveless top. It's got butterfly in the pocket, and this is in size size, oh, it's in size 3. But I'm just gonna get there. It's brand now. And I got this for $2.99. So see this one, guys? I know when I bought these items, I know what I'm going to do with them already. So have a look. How cute's it gonna be? Ooh, I can't wait. Anyways, while I was there, I just grabbed a couple of things as well. So, well, this is for Mimi. I think this is for you, Dong, Gab. So it's for Mimi's boyfriend. And di pa kita presyo? I'm not gonna show you the price. It's a surprise because it's a surprise. It's pasalubong for Mimi's boyfriend, guys. So, Dong, beat it. Lago, ako na lang ni Dong. And the last one, guys, is this green maxi dress from Cotton On. As you can see, it's brand new, guys. The tag is still on, and this is a bit expensive compared to the other ones. It's $9.49, but that's understandable because it's still brand new and it looks cool. I like this. Is one of my favorite colors. I'm gonna show you. Nah, yes.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, that's the one, guys. I'm probably gonna wear it tomorrow when we go to the beach. It's gonna look so nice. But that's about it. That's all I want to show to you. So I'm so sorry if I sound like I'm rushing, guys, because I'm really rushing because we are going out. But I just want to quickly show that to you so we can put it in the washing before we leave. But yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this quick video, and stay tuned for more videos. And yeah, I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful. Be careful.
bye, guys.